gonna show you how to make a very quick apricot barbecue sauce.
Oh, yum.
So simple, it's all pantry pulls. So some onions go in here, and then these are just straight up pantry pulls. Some hot Hungarian paprika, shake that in there.
Gotcha.
Some garlic that I just spilled, that's okay, we'll
That's
get
all
it
right,
over.
we'll get it in there.
Some
there we go.
ketchup goes in.
It's all going in the same pot.
It does.
What the heck?
A little bit of sriracha goes in. Just for some heat, if you don't have that hot
Right, use a
sauce.
different hot sauce. Sure.
Yeah.
A little sugar.
Bit of sugar. And then this is what I love making sauces with this. It's just apricot jam. You know what I'm saying?
There
Or
you go. It'll
marmalade.
thicken it up and sweeten it up.
That's a sweetness.
Yum.
And then everyone knows the sweetness is also a little bit of brown sugar, but North Carolina is definitely about that tart vinegar flavor that I truly love. Cuts through the fat of the meat and everything. Just pour in some apple cider
acidity,
vinegar.
You really need that, yeah.
You really do. So that's gonna cook down for a minute. And as it cooks down, it's gonna reduce a bit. And this is the sauce right here. We've got our barbecue
Lovely.
apricot sauce. You know, you're having a party, it's game day. You put some white bread out.
Some pickles.
Some pickles.
Bring
Let
it.
everyone make their
Woo-hoo-hoo.
own